Nom. That was jolly good, mate.
A T-Rex destroying the city? What do we do?
I have an idea. We waste the government's money and make giant robots.
Sir, couldn't we just nuke
Well,
it?
that's lame. Yeah. I can do it. Punch.
Insert punch noise.
Shing!
Hiya. Hello.